So today, in self-test 2, question number 3, it says how many eighths of an inch are there in the following mixed numbers? And then the first one is 1 and 3/8. So we're gonna find out. So we know that in and 1 full inch there are 8/8. So in 1 full inch there are 8/8. So it says 1 and 3/8. So we know there are 8/8 in 1 inch. So we're gonna write down 8, and then we know it's already given here that 3/8. So we only gonna, because it's already in fraction here, so we're gonna just pick up 3, and that will give you 11. There are 2/8 in a quarter. So this gap portion is 1/8. This is 2/8. This is 3/8. This is 4. This is 5/8. This is 6/8. This is 7/8. This is 8/8. So in a quarter of an inch, there are 2/8. So this is quarter, and this is 1 and 2/8. And in half of an inch, there are 4/8. So if you take up to here, you have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, and in 3/4 of an inch you have 6/8. So 1/8, 2, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, and 6/8. And in a full inch you have 8/8. So from here to here, and then if you do half of an 8, you will get 1/16 of an inch, which is not been asked in this question. They are only asking you about 8. So here it is. In 1 inch you have 8/8, and then it's already given here 3/8. So 8 in 1 inch plus 3/8, so 3, which is 11. So in part B, it's asking about 5 and 5/8. So we know that in an inch there are 8/8. So 5 times 8, which is 40. So we know that, and we have, so this portion is solved. So we know that 40 is here plus 5 from this 5/8. So which is 45. So 45 is your answer.